有走太快了啊，马佳。
Live peacefully with all creatures. Connect to the natural world with an open mind. Find a silver lining for every cloud with a sense of responsibility and emotion. With this simple faith, the Chinese not only establish harmony between different ethnic groups, but also extend it to their relationship with nature. After thousands of years of being tested and passed down, this philosophy has been integrated into the blood of the Chinese people. It can be summed up as being at one with the universe.